So with what I'm seeing now in Nigeria, nobody, no citizen wants to come out for votes. Can you see the whole road? Look at that. Nobody's coming out to vote. People are not even interested in voting anymore. Even to vote for APC, nobody wants to vote for APC. Nobody wants to vote for any party because of the disappointment, you understand, the government has been doing. Can you all see it? Nobody, no Nigerian citizen even wants to come out to vote. Nobody wants to even vote. Nobody wants to vote for APC. Nobody is interested in election. Everybody is just saying, let me just go into my house and sleep, eat and sleep. So how can we guarantee 2027 election that people are going to come out to vote? How can we guarantee that? 2027 presidential election. Can you see what is happening now in Nigeria? What is happening in the country? Can you see people are just sitting down outside their house, just minding their own business? Nobody is even interested to go to the poll units to vote because of the mess that the government has caused on the people. This is very, very wrong. This is very, very wrong. So now, if nobody comes out to vote, how are we going to elect the people that will rule us? So does it mean they will pick themselves? They will put themselves in the position by themselves because the people are not selecting or choosing either any of the politicians anymore. Can you see what corruption has done to Nigeria? Can you see how corruption has dragged this country to the mud? This is game over. So which means on 2027, nobody comes out to vote. So which means the president is just going to declare himself the winner. That's what is going to happen.